Mai ia te tupua, mai ia te tawhito, mai ia te kāhui o ngā riki, mai ia te whiwhiki ngā tua, uhi, wero, tau mai te Māori, haumi e hui e, tai ki e. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, nau mai, hara mai, ki te whanganui ātara, i tēnei ata, mo tēnei kēmu ki wainganui e nei kura e rua. Rāko Wellington College, me Feilding High School. Welcome in, everybody. On behalf of Whakata Māori, it's Wellington College and Feilding High School with this pre-season match, live and exclusive from Newtown Rugby League Park here in Wellington. As the rugby season gets closer and closer to officially getting underway. So ko tēnei te rārangi ingoa o Wellington College. So we look at the lineup here for Wellington College. Up front, John Bowden, Chandler and Wolfart. The locks are Rothman and Kane. The loose forwards, Parai, McGuinness and Fino. In the halves is Willocks at halfback and Workoven at first five. We've got in the midfield, Davey, Teoteo and Phelps. On the wings, Martin and Baya Riga. And at fullback and on the bench, Sipeli, Barrington, Toimata, McGuinness, Schwalger, Hill, Barry, Faitala and McGrath. And of course, Wellington College is coached by Director of Rugby, Nemia Tialata, former All Blacks legend, former All Blacks prop, and Rugby World Cup winner in 2011 from Wainuiomata Piriwepu. As we look at the Feilding High School lineup, up front, Nata, Goodman and Whakava, who is playing his 40th match today. The locks are Hawker and Brown. The loose forwards, Gibson, Tunnicliffe and Hammond. In the halves, Wallace McLeod and Tyrell. The midfield sees Dixon and Raka. And on the wings, Lacia and Emmett. And fullback is Nagel. And on the bench, Greenham, Wallace, Wren, Anapu Burke, Copsey, Viliamu Goodman, Malaisila and Bremner. And the head coach for Feilding High School this season is Mark Jefferson. Kei te ata whakariti ai ngā kura e rua. Ko mutu te kēmu. Ki waingi nui e nei kura. Ara, a rātou tīma tuarua me ki. Kei te ata tatari i nai nei. Mo te timatanga o tēnei kēmu. Feilding High School, i timata rātou i te tau tahi mano iwa rau rua te kaumā tahi. Wellington College, i timata i te kura i te tau tahi mano waru rau ono te kaumā whitu. As the Feilding High School line up, Feilding High School B team line up to welcome their first 15 who come out onto the field. Feilding High School, ko tā rātou whakatauki, kia toa, kia ngākau nui, which means have courage, desire greatly. As I mentioned before, established in 1921. They've had 10 All Blacks and 2 Black Ferns, with the most recent Black Fern, Taufa Basin, debuting for the Black Ferns next month. Rā koe tihi o ngā tino whetū o tēnei kapa. Ko Tawhita Whakāwa tētihi, ko tēnei tana kēmu whātekau i tēnei rā. He tau te kaumātoru ia. Toko toru ngā piro, ngā tries me ki, kei tōna ingoa. Te kaumātoru ngā kaitākoro o tēnei kapa i tēnei rangi. Ara, ko rātou kēmu tuatahi. 13 on debut today. Lucia, Emmett, Raka, Tyrell, Greenham, Wallace, Wren, Anapu, Burke, Copsey, Viliamu, Goodman, Malaisila and Bremner. So a ton of talented individuals on debut today against this well-established, prestigious rugby school here in Wellington College. It boasts the third most All Blacks in the country, behind Christ College and Auckland Grammar, with 35 All Blacks coming out of Wellington College. Ko e tehi o ngā tino whetū, ōpango me ki, ko puta mai Wellington College, ko Piri, Wepu, Ma'anonu, Dane Coles, Lima Sopoanga, ne mea tia lata, ko ira e tehi o ngā ingoa, kua puta ara, kua eke, ki te kapa ōpango. He tau whakahirahira tēnei mō Wellington College, ko tēnei te tau tahi rau rima te kau. Mō tahi rau rima te kau tau ki muri, tākaro te kēmu tuatahi, I roto I Aotearoa ki wainga I ngā kura tuarua. Nō reira ko timatai tēnei kēmu. Ko Feilding High School, kia rātou te poro I tēnei wā. Feilding High School have first possession from the kickoff. As they drive forward, e kōkiri whakamu ana rātou I tēnei wā. Kua tau kei roto I ngā ringa. Feilding High School. They move now to this right edge. Defence for Wellington College resolute at this stage. And there's an advantage on the way. He huanga ke te haere mō Feilding High School. So, ke te ora tonu te poro, e neki ana ki tēnei taha matau. As the referee blows his whistle, it's the first penalty of the match. Oh, and they're going to tap it. Interesting. From inside their half, the pass has been dropped. So now there's an advantage for Wellington. Will it pop back out their side? No, it doesn't. An interesting decision early on. I whiriwhiri rātou ki te oma. Mai tērā hāmene engari, ia rātou e oma ai, I maka ki te poro, ki tōna hoa engari, I taka ki te papa. So an early error there by Feilding High School off the back of a penalty. And the first scrum, ko tēnei te kakari tuatahi o te kēmu nei. Ma Wellington College e whāngai. Here's Willocks, the back of the scrum. Off to Martin, who comes in off the left wing. Oh, he tino whawhai tērā kua tāhai te poro. It's been turned over. It's Feilding High. Come back up with it. Good defence. Coming through quickly. And pushing Feilding High backwards slightly. Ka haere mai ki tēnei taha poto. A bit of space here on the short side, but put to ground and into touch. E oi, ko tēnei te rārangi tuatahi o te kēmu nei. Ma Wellington College e whāngai. Ara, ko tērā tangata ko Macklin Chandler. Playing hooker. Feeding. The line is stolen. Feilding High. Come up with it. And the crash ball. It's there for Wallace McLeod. They spread it. He ahua pōturi te poro ki te puta mai ngari kei reira. Now they come out to Tyrell, who go Dixon. Kei reira tonu mō Feilding High. The rampaging run at the line there. And again, the front rowers getting amongst it. An offload goes to the ground. It's play on. It's Nagel. It's there for Emmett on debut, the year 13. Played for the second 15 side last season. Anei te poro, Tyrell, he makapoto tēnā. Kia Dixon. Ke ko rātonu te poro, engari kua neke whakamuri, Feilding High School, and a break there by Tai Rao, but chopped down just behind the advantage line, slightly. Feilding High School, a big dummy, a gap opens up for Goodman, the captain. Head down. Now they spread to tēnei taha mātou me ki. Still there. It's been over a dozen phases here. It's broken past one. Still alive for Feilding High. E niki ana ki te taha mātou, and they spread it out wide. And here we go, a break. The speed showing. And the offload has been intercepted by Wellington College just in the nick of time. Ke roto I tō rātou, ake rua tekau mā rua. And kua puta ki waho. Enterprising play there by Feilding High School, stringing the phases together, spreading it out wide, penetrating the defensive line, but then being chopped down just as they got into the Wellington College 22. Atera whana rora wa atu. Wellington College ki te puta ai. Nō reira kei konei te rārangi mō Feilding High School. It's there for Tai Rao. A good run here. Solid defence, being pushed back slightly. The short side. And it's on here. E Putanaki Alicia on that left wing. Brown. Oh, as Brown's put it down. An advantage. Dante Brown, ko tēnei tana kemu rua tekau mō Feilding High School. Tana tau tuarua. Tēnei kapa. He tau tekau matoru ea. So a bit of rust early on for both sides. Still pre-season. Wellington College will feed yet another scrum. Ben Willicks, the halfback. Tatareana mō ngā pau mua ki te whakariti a rātou anō. Willicks pops up nicely. It's there for Workhoven, and now they spread it. And coming into the line here, it's a bit of numbers. Martin, e niki here, ki Wainganui o te Papatakoro nei. Martin, Willicks, Workhoven, he maka poto, kei reira tonu, mō Wellington College, Engari Kao, he hāmene. Karea Wellington College, e waiho te porona, no reira kua tāhaitia, he hāmene. Feilding High School had the penalty and a long kick this time. They decide not to tap it from the penalty. Feilding High School, the majority of this team, over half of them, are very keen hunters. They hunt for deer, pigs, goats. And some of them are very keen sheep shearers, of course, from the regions. Actually, Alex Wren, who's on the bench today, is the current school sheep shearing champion. As Wellington College have the penalty. Ko te nuinga o tēnei kēmu. Ko mau Feilding High School te poro. O tira pia ko tēnei te wā tuatahi me ki. Ko mau Wellington College te poro I roto I te hawhia Feilding High School. O reira he rārangi kei te haere. It's Macklin Chandler, the hooker. looks to feed the line out. There's already been a couple of steals from the line out, so they'll be looking to do the basics right, and they do it brilliantly. But in fact, it's been thrown in crookedly. So a wayward throw into the line out. Feilding High School come up with it, just escaping their own 22. He kōkiri whakamua ana Feilding High School. He hāmini anō. Hea te whakatau I nei mo Feilding High School. Te ahua nei ka whana. But not releasing. Wellington College discipline has been a problem early on. Safely kicked into touch. Oh well. Te rate wā tuatahi I neke a Wellington College roti te hawhi o Feilding High School he rārangi engari ahua tītaha te maka ki roti te rārangi whaimiri I tēnā he hāmene no reira ke konei te poro. Feilding High School off the back of the line out, well secured, short ball, crash ball right there on halfway. He's come up quite high but manages to offload the ball. Now they come the short side, Feilding High School. And it's Kingston Ngata, his 21st match in the jersey. Wallace McLeod, short ball, the forwards in the thick of things, but it's been lost. And there's a couple of advantages there. And yeah, ki te kaua wao me hoki, ki te maka, he kakari kei te haere, more Wellington College. So things just a little bit stilted in this match, 10 minutes in. Both sides showing early signs of flowing rugby, but just a few little errors here and there have just slowed them down as Wellington feed the scrum. Another good scrum. Willocks. Again, it's Martin from the wing, offloads brilliantly. And they've just come up to the halfway line, Wellington College. Willocks takes a good look, goes long. Defence was up quickly on Workhoven, but a penalty now for Wellington College. Ko tērā tangata kupa Workhoven, e mau ana I te poraka tekau. Kei ai te poro I tēnei wā, he whanaroa ki te kokonga. Ko hoki mai a Wellington College, ko te pātai nui, ka taia e rātou. Te whakamau I te poro mai tēnei rārangi. So it's almost deja vu now. We've got a line out just outside the 22, but on the other side of the field, Wellington College will need to secure the ball from the line out first. And they struggle, but it looks as though it's there. No, it's been turned. The bounce of the ball going the way of Feilding High School. The flag is up on the other side. So the ball has gone out into touch. The big question, whose ball is it? And it's on the side of Wellington College. So they'll get another opportunity here. It'll be Chandler. They've had all sorts of pressure on their line out. It's batted back, but the bounce again just falling in the way of Feilding High School. But somehow, John Bowden comes up with it. The big prop for Wellington College. Now they're inside the Feilding High School 22. Wellington College hot on the attack. It's Workhoven. He goes long. The skip ball to Hansen. Huge hit there on Hansen. The defence of Feilding High School. Too quick. And now Wellington College break free. And just like that, this could be the first try of the match. And it's going to be Liam Phelps who goes over for the first try out of nowhere. Just shows you how dangerous the Wellington College backs are. Backs against the wall. Phelps scooped it up from the midfield. Saw a big gaping hole. Pinned his ears back. And in the end, glided all the way through to the try line. Ka hoki ngā mahara ki tērā rārangi. I rua ngā rārangi I roto I te rua tekau mā rua o Feilding High School. Uaua rawa mō Wellington College ki te mau I te poro. Engari, I noho te poro ki tā rātou taha Anei te whana. Me pēwhia. Oh, he pai rawa atu. Miharoke from the sideline. The conversion's good. And Wellington College, after 13 minutes of this one, are up 7-0. O ngā mihi nui kia Feilding High School. Te kaha hoki o tā rātou kaupare. I roto i tēnei kēmu. Engari, ko itihi o ngā whetū o te kura o Wellington. Ko Liam Phelps tētihi. Ko Piro. So Wellington College now. An interesting start to this match. As Workhoven clears it from inside his 22, doesn't find touch. It's awkward, but what a juggling act that was. To just retain possession. It bounced right in the front of him. It came off his hands. He had to regather. He did it brilliantly. As Feilding High look to hit back. Tyrell on debut. Tyrell spots a gap, looks to offload, but decides against it. A little dummy there. Oh, but he's lost it. So an advantage for Wellington College. And they'll go back for the scrum. No advantage. E neke whakamua te poro. But Feilding High School, we're looking the goods there. Maybe just rushing things a little bit. And ke reira te rārangi rua te kaumārua. Okay, Muara, up front is Tavita Whakava, his 40th match, and his older brothers, Ben and Alani, also have played well over 40 matches for Feilding High. So it's in the whānau, in the Whakava whānau. And what a booming kick that was. Goodness me, there must be a bit of a wind behind Wellington College. From inside their own 22, pretty much to Feilding High School's 22. It was almost big enough for a 50-22 to get possession back. But here we are, Feilding High, kia rātou te poro e whāngai ana I roto I tēnei rārangi. Nice and easy. The line out is looking very strong early in this match. A short ball. Does well to hold on to it. They come the short side. And a tough assignment on Ngata. The defence there by McGrath. Coming up quickly. It's Tyrell. Spreads it. A right foot step. And it's been put to ground, so Wellington College have the ball and an advantage to their name. As Davey Tiotio with the offload, and look who it is. It's Liam Phelps with number 2. Off the back of a Davey Tiotio offload, and it's that midfield pairing of Davey Tiotio and Liam Phelps that have set up that second try of the match. Tasman Davey Tiotio went up high, he got tackled, but he managed to free up his arms and finding Liam Phelps, who was Johnny on the spot, this time dotting down underneath the posts as Wellington College extend their lead 12-0. Ko tau mai te ti, mō Workhoven. Kei mua rawa atu I ngā pau. Nō reira. E māma noi ho ai. Kua piro. Nō reira, ko te tekau mā whā ki te kore. Kei runga a Wellington College. ngā piro e rua. Liam Phelps. E maua nei te pora ka tekau mā toru. Wellington College on fire in the early stages of this match. They were the runners-up in the Wellington First 15 competition in 2025, going down 35-14 to the champions St. Pat's Silverstream. And Feilding High School just in front of the kicker. Hamine. Give Wellington College a free kick, so they've got options. They'll take the scrum at halfway. So huge options on either side. Wellington College. Their backs are looking lethal, formidable. They've got a bit of work to do at set piece, although in saying that, the scrums so far have held up quite nicely for Wellington College. And he hamine I taka ngā pau mua I roto I tērā kakari. Collapse scrum, penalised. So, hei te tikau waru o Apereira, ka tākoro Wellington College me Nelson College. O te mea ko te tikau tahi rau, rima tikau ngā tau, ki murira, I whakatū ai te kēmu tuatahi o te motu ki wainganui I ngā kura tuarua mo te wai tuatahi. So to commemorate 150 years of the first ever intercollegiate match, Wellington College and Nelson College will play on the 18th of April. Feilding High School, they steal the line out yet again, and ka neke te poro ki tērā taha Māui. Good defence, ball popping out, slight knock on, advantage for Wellington College. But the first knock on was from Wellington College, so we'll go back and there'll be a scrum for Feilding High School. It's Feilding High from their own 22, a bit of work to do. Wallace McLeod. It's Ngata. E whana Pawaka. Ko Kimi te papa, ngari ke reira a Workhoven. And it's been popped up, but it's been stolen. Feilding High looking to counter from the turnover. Wallace McLeod. Short ball by Goodman, the captain. Now they spread it left. They go wide. It's with Brown. Brown's lost it. Picked up now by Wellington College. John Bowden. Just outside the 22. Workhoven. Still alive. For Nagel. Nagel breaks the line. Nagel needs support, looks to his left, and he finds it. And the first try of the match for Feilding High School. They get on the scoreboard after Wellington College went back to back. And it was the counter-attacking skills of Jack Nagel. From the back, freed up the space on the left side. And Johnny Lucia on debut scores. Ko tēnei atu harakia Wallace McLeod e mau ana te poraka Iwa. Lining up the kick, it's his 20th match, year 13. That's 35 points now for him to his name. He's had 5 tries and now that's his 5th conversion. To harakia Wallace McLeod for Feilding High School. So Feilding High School badly needed that. And Wellington College, Feilding High School, Ruatikoma Rima Miniti, kua hipai tēnei wā. Koenei kura e te o ngā tino kura o te motu I roto I te awhitu poro. And this kick has just gone way too long and just shows you the extent of the strength of the wind behind Wellington College. Reira ka hoki ki te rārangi hawhe he kakari kei te haere mō Feilding High. So Feilding High School caps are awarded after playing 30 matches. And Goodman, the captain, has played 37 matches. Like I said earlier, Tavita Fakava up front at prop, his 40th match today. And Kingston Ngata, that's where most of the experience is. Feilding High in the tight 5. Ngata playing 21 matches. Lockie Hawker and Dante Brown, the locks. Hawker playing 17 matches today and Brown playing his 20th match. Hawker at lock competed in the Coast to Coast in 2025, so shows you how fit he is. Kea Feilding te poro. Tai rau tēnā. Rā, Wallace McLeod, a short ball. Still there for Feilding. They've done well to string the phases together and hold on to possession. But this defence, te kaupare, Wellington College, ka harawa, as they spread it to Lucia. Ko hoki ki ona waiwai. And another breakaway. And on the inside, it's going to be Hammond. Put down. Oh, and Wellington College again with the turnover. Right in the nick of time. But the amount of times Feilding High School have broken the line and then just in the last second have lost the ball and turned it over. But yeah, ko tērā tangata ko Steely Hammond, the number 8. Te kēmu, te kaumā whitu, mana. Tukorua ngā piro ki tōna ingoa. He tau, te kaumā toru ia. It was Hammond who broke away. But again, all the attacking happening on that left side of the field. As the line out is good. And it's there. Wallace McLeod now to Tyrell, a short ball for Brown. He's gone in a little bit high, but manages to get his body position down. Oh, it's been stripped away, turned over. Wasn't quick enough getting lower. Brown, and now Wellington College. Oh, a little dummy, shaped to pass it. The big front rower, LJ John Bowden. Ka hoki maki tēnei, taha Maui, an inside ball. It's Phelps. Goodness me, he's been lethal today. Liam Phelps. Willocks. It's there for Finau. Tomitiao, Finau. Willocks. Workoven on the inside to John Bowden. Still going. They go right. Workoven. Big dummy by Hansen. Was chopped down. Kane. McGrath. Joe McGrath. Oh, it's hard to get out there, but it was stolen. But in fact, there's a penalty for holding on. No reira, e ata whakaro a Wellington College, mea hau nai nei, ke mui ngā pau. Oh, he kakari. Pai te nei. Pai te whakaro nei. They decide to go for the scrum. Prime attacking opportunity here for Wellington College, considering how stable their scrum's also been. So Willocks. Workoven. The long ball out wide to Bairaiga. Bairaiga. He's in. He's in. He plants the ball down in the corner. And Denzel Bairaiga scores in the corner for Wellington College as they extend their lead to Kaumaiua, ki te whitu. Kick from the sideline is good. Workoven, the sharpshooter, slotted one from the other side of the field earlier and now slots one on the corner on the opposite side. Yeah, ko tērā te mutunga o te hawhe. Just had a brief drinks break there. Timata no te kemu, kua puta te poro ki waho. I was out on the full from the restart. So we'll go back to the scrum at halfway. Well, te timatanga o tēnei kemu. I piro a Liam Phelps. Ai, hoki mai a Wellington College. Nā ko tērā tangata anō, ko Liam Phelps, e piro ai. E ka huri te poro ki a Feilding High, I piro rātou, ko Joni Lacia. And I hoki mai a Wellington College, rā ko Denzel Bairaiga, e piro ana I roto I te kokonga rā. So a lot of tries scored as we approach half-time, Feilding High School. Wallace McLeod. Good passing, Tyrell. Goes wide. He's well covered. Tyrell. Another short ball. Good skills by the front rowers. Tyrell out wide. And it's lost. Penalty for holding on. Wā te nuinga o te wā. E Moana Feilding High School te pōro. Ka kōkiri whakamua, engari. Ka taka te pōro, ka neke whakamua te pōro. He hāmene, he rā momo mea. Ko te mea nui, ko te rautaki nui. Mā rātou i tēnei wā, kia mau te pōro. Wellington College. Feeding the line out has probably been their biggest weakness. They go up front, but it's another crooked throw into the line out. No, there's a problem with the numbers, in fact. So it's a free kick for Wellington College. McGrath. No, you can't tap it like that. Joe McGrath tapping it like it's rugby league. You must release the ball when tapping the ball. So both sides guilty of just making some basic errors in this match. But the attacking brilliance of both sides shining through at the same time. And Tyrell and Makaroa, and a big right foot step by Lucia. Wallace McLeod has a go himself. Ka puta te pōro ki tēnei taha MΑORI. Goes to ground. Wallace McLeod again is there. Passes it to Whakava, who spreads it to this left side. It's still alive. Cutting back on the inside is Lucia. Pick and go. Feilding high. Goodman. Short ball, Tyrell. Long ball, Nagel. Spreads it. There it is for Hammond. Hammond straightens. Steely Hammond. Quick ball needed. Tyrell has a run. He's isolated. Support is there just in the nick of time. Gibson. Getting close to the line. Gibson. Gibson's still going. Is he there? Held up. Engari ko tērā te mutunga o te hawhe tuatahi. Ko Wellington College kei runga I tēnei wā, I roti tēnei hawhe tuatahi. And it's 21-7 to Wellington College at halftime.
This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Ko tai tēnei ki te kotahi rau tau I ngā enei. I raro I ngā waiwai o ngā tikanga Pākehā. E tahi o tātou te mariki kei kona e noho tūpuhia I roto I tēnei aho te MΑORI. Reira, he mea huatu tēnei ki a rata. Hei kura, hei tiki mō rātou, hei whaia kei ngā kahura. Hei whai atu I o rātou hia, ke mōhia I rātou ko wai rātou.
Nō mā hoki mai tātou mā ki tēnei whakapāpāhotanga a whakaata Māori ko Wellington College kei runga 20 mā tahi ki te whitu. It's Wellington College and Feilding High School playing this pre-season match. And at half-time, Wellington College lead 21-7. And an entertaining first half for both sides. 2 tries to Liam Phelps, the centre for Wellington College, to start off the match, and then Feilding High School finally got on the scoreboard in the form of Joni Lacia on that left wing. And then Wellington College hit back with a try of their own in the form of Denzel Baioriga on that right wing. And so 21-7, Feilding High School had a very strong start with most of the possession. And then just fading away in the middle of that first half before coming back strongly. So we're all in anticipation for the second half between these two sides. These two very famous rugby sides. Feilding High, 10 All Blacks, 2 Black Ferns, some of those All Blacks that have come out of Feilding High School with the Whitelock brothers, Aaron Smith, Cody Taylor, Wellington College have an abundance of All Blacks that have come out of that school. Piri Wepu, their coach, Nemia Tialata, their director of rugby, Lima Sopoanga, who is now pursuing a career in broadcasting, Dane Coles, who was on the selection panel for the new All Blacks coach, which is Dave Rennie, who announced his coaching team with Tana Umanga being named as one of the assistants. The former All Black captain, Ma'anonu, one of the oldest players to still be playing rugby, currently playing in France. Two-time Rugby World Cup champion as well, Ma'anonu. Nō reira, kua mutu ngā wānanga o inei kapa e rua. Te mutunga o te awhi tuatahi, kua hoki mai rātou. Ki te whira, mō te timatanga o tēnei wahanga tuarua. Kia Feilding High School, te poro, kia rātou te whana timata o tēnei wahanga tuarua. So we're underway. It's Feilding High School restarting the match. Tēnei te timatanga o te wahanga tuarua. Kia Wellington College te poro, and already a break. Almost getting away there on the outside. Wellington College. Goodness, if he got away there, I think there was only one man to beat. It would have been an interesting foot race. He rārangi ki te haere, kia Feilding High, te poro. He rārangi poto tēnei. Mā wai, ara, mā Tunnicliffe, kei reira te poro. And there's a replacement who's on, and number 22, it's Corin Goodman for Feilding High with a very strong run. It's still there. Ka haere ki te taha poto. And a rampaging run, getting very close to the line, Feilding High. And there's Brown. Oh, that's the 22 line in front of you. As they spread it left, a big dummy taken down right on that 22 metre line. Now they go right. Wallace McLeod to Tyrell, out to Tunnicliffe. Tunnicliffe goes all the way out to Alicia, who attempted to kick, but it went to ground. Neke whakamua te poro iaia e whana a nuku. Lucia Brown. Okay, ko whiti mai, a tamanui te rai, tēnei rangi. Engari, kaha pupu ai te hau, mai te taha matau ki te taha Māori. O te pikitia nei. Ko tai mai iti o ngā kaitautoko o ngā kapa e rua, o ngā kura e rua. Ki te mātaki, i nei tama. I nei whetu o te rangi. Engari, kia Wellington College te poro i roto te rātau ake ārua te kaumārua. He kakari kei te haere. Another strong, stable scrum. It's Cade Hill that's on at halfback for Wellington College. Oh, penalty against the attacking side, right in front of the posts. Feilding High School looking to get on the scoreboard first in this second half. Wallace McLeod. There's Goodman. For cover. 7 metres short of the line. Oh, another penalty against the attacking side. Falling off his feet was Frank Wallace, who's come on for his debut match for year 13 for Feilding High. Just dropping off his feet at the breakdown, being penalised. Nō reira kua whana te poro ki roto o ki wahora. He rārangi kei te haere. Ma Wellington College. Not much ground made, maybe 5 metres. Just shows you the strength of the wind. Wellington College, they've got a healthy lead, but that wind's probably worth about 21 points. The long throw into the line out is crooked. So free kick for Feilding High. Wallace McLeod. There's Goodman. Te Kapene. Wallace McLeod. Kaneke ki te taha matau. Ke reira tonu te poro Tyrell. Oh, it's a good juggle. Regathers. Fantastic skills to hold on to that ball. Oh, but that ball's gone down to ground. Yes, it's been knocked on. And some of the handling skills need a bit of work from both sides. No reira, ke kone tātou anō, kei roto I te rua te kaumarua Wellington College. Rātou e noho ana tēnei kakari. Te toko maho I nei kakari roto tēnei kiemu. Is help feeding the scrum, freeze it out. And they run it from inside their own 22. And here we go again, Wellington College. It's Hanson. Hill. Good defence. Blitzing. Coming up quickly. Wellington is Feilding High. And they may have turned it over here, have they? No, it's still there on the Wellington side. Let's see who ends up with it. What a scrap for the ball in there. Whose ball is it? Still there. Feilding High School come up with it. Muscling themselves over the ball and winning possession. Tyrell. There's Wallace McLeod sniping away from the breakdown there. Crash ball. Bumps off one. He's still going. Viliamu. Formai Viliamu, who's just come on. Another blow of the whistle. It's not coming out there, so there'll be yet another scrum. Formai Viliamu. A strong run by him. He's on debut today, the year 13. Played second 15 for Feilding High last season. Looks like he's slotted into number 8 in the headgear there. I don't know if you heard that, but there was a call there from the sideline to go right. So let's see what way they go. Feilding High. That's exactly what they do. Viliamu. Good pass. Getting close to the line, 5 metres out. Oh, what's happened to the ball here? It's a drive. Getting close to the line, about a metre short. Can he release? No, another turnover. The amount of penalties against the attacking side. That time not being able to release the ball. Oh, it's a try. It's a try. A try's been scored. I thought it was a penalty, but it's a try for Feilding High School. And it may have been for my Viliamu who dotted over there. Okay. Well, Feilding High School, they needed that try after half time to claw things back, and they've done it. Oh, te rangirua o tērā pōheheo. Kāre ia I piro. No te mea, ke runga rawa te pōro. Engari, I ai ki te kaiwa wao kāo. He piro. Ko te ahua nei ko For mai Viliamu te kaipiro. Anei te whana. He pai. No reira. Kei runga tonu a Wellington College. Rua tekau mā tahi ki te tekau mā whā. Ngari kua kaha hoki mai a Feilding High School. Tēnei wahanga tuarua. Kei a rātou te hau ki muri a rātou. Tērā pia. Rua tekau mā tahi ngā piro. Tā whiri mātea, me ki. So back underway, dropped from the restart. Tunnicliffe drops it from the restart. It was Hammond. Well, Gibson, sorry, there, but yeah. Tricky win to contend with. It just floats up in the air when you kick it into the wind. So prime opportunity now for Wellington College. Kia rātou te kakari. I roto te hawhi a Feilding High. Free kick. Just on an angle. As Feilding High come up with it. It's gone backwards. Feilding High, both sides just struggling to hold on to possession. As Feilding High look to spread it. They go up the middle. E whanapauaka ki Murira. Beautifully done. Catching Blake Hansen napping. Fullback. And of course a 50-22 from inside the 50. That box kick. Brilliantly done. So Feilding High. It's overthrown. It's there now for Wellington College. Ka whanaroa. I roto te rua te kaumārua. Engari, I reira Blake Hansen finding, in fact it was Nagel finding Lucia. Straight up the middle. Goes Filiamu. Goodman. Nagel. Short ball. It's in the hands. He takes it to ground. There's Raka. Kaniki Whakamua, Feilding High School. And good defence on Tyrell. Staunch defence, but there's an advantage for Feilding High. Still alive. Whakava, short ball for Hawker, still alive, back to Whakava. Ki te hāma marato mo te poro. Goodman, short ball, it's there for Nagel, needs support, taken to ground. Tunnicliffe, plays half-back. Wallace McLeod returns. Tyrell. Brown in the hands. It's Viliamu. Still on his feet. Tyrell. Whakava. Keeps it in his hands. Nagel. Raka. Long ball. Running out of space is Lucia. Wallace McLeod, short ball to Nagel. He passes it to Dixon. It's Brown. Wallace McLeod has a go. Couple of metres short. Getting very close. Fielding high. Dixon goes long, intercepted. Goes backwards. It was Joe McGrath with the intercept. On his own line. It's up. Off the ground. Will it come back? No. Just turned over. It's with Fielding High. They'll have the scrum. But Fielding High. Te kaha hoki te whakapau kaha o Fielding High. Ki te kōkiri whakamua, ki te kōkiri whakamua. Tēnō tata rātou ki te rārangi piro. I maka rātou ki tēnei taha MΑORI. Engari I reira, a Wellington College I reira, a Joe McGrath ki te hopu I te poro. Ka rutu a Feilding High School ki aia, ka noho te poro ki runga rawa, no reira ko huri nai nei, ki a Feilding High, he kakiri, ke te haere, he hāmene. Feilding High will look to tap quickly, they do. Wallace McLeod, spread it. They go to the right here, it's Dixon, Nagel. Nagel goes in high, he must get down low, he does. Wallace McLeod, Hawker. Shaped to pass, but took it to ground. They go the right side. That's Dixon. Still there for Feilding High. Inching their way closer and closer. But held up. He kakari anō ki te haere. Wow, e hia ngā wā. E hia ngā wā mō Feilding High School. Ka harawa te kaupare a Wellington College. Engari he kakari anō ke te haere. Anei, Feilding High School from the back of the scrum. They go the blind side. Viliamu to Wallace McLeod out wide and to the winger. He's just come on. It's a try for Feilding High in the corner. And now they've got the opportunity to level things up from the sideline. E whana uaua rawa tēnei. Te taho te whira nei. Ko Wallace McLeod. Tēnei. He whana roa. Engari kao, kua neke te poro ki tērā taha matau. Kua mahue. Nō reira kei runga, Wellington College. Rua tekau mā tahi ki te tekau mā iwa. Ko tēnō hoki mai a Feilding High I tēnei wahanga tuarua. Tokorua ngā piro. Rua piro noiho ki muri Wellington Feilding High. So nothing separating these sides now, 21-19. And the ball goes out into touch. O te kau māwaru meneti kua hipa I tēnei wairotu tēnei wahanga tuarua o kia Feilding High School te poro mai tērā rārangi ka whanaroa, ka whanateitei, ka whana ārangi. Oh! No, a foot and touch. He tried desperately to keep it in the field of play. to no avail. So Feilding High will retain possession. Te nuinga o tēnei hawhi tuarua kia rātou te poro, Feilding High. The majority of the possession has been with Feilding High School in the second half as they spread it. And that's Corin Goodman who slots in to halfback. A little chip over the top, it's good. Has it come off the hand? Just keep an eye on the referee. It's an advantage for Feilding High School. They're hot on the attack. Momentum has swung in the way of Feilding High. The ball and the bounce is good. Raka out wide to Anapu Burke, who's come on debut. The former Hatopaura first 15 player, Feilding High, for cover in his 40th match. Goodman almost had a go, a couple of metres short. Feilding High is Corin Goodman. He goes long to Anapu Burke. Goodman again, short. It's to Lucas Goodman. Still there for Feilding High. So close. Oh, and a try's been scored. And it looks as though it's Dante Brown, the lock, who has scored for Feilding High. So 3 consecutive tries by Feilding High in the second half have put them in the lead. I te mutunga o te wāhanga tuatahi. I runga a Wellington College, 21 ki te whitu. Engari nai nei, 20 miniti I roto I tēnei wāhanga tuarua, kua tēno hoki mai a Feilding High School. Toko toru ngā piro. 24 ki te 21 ki a Feilding High nai nei. The kick. Will it come around? No. But it doesn't matter at this point in time. Feilding High School go into the lead for the first time in this match. 20 miniti I roto I tēnei wāhanga tuarua. The restart is taken by Feilding High.
No, there's no one on there, sir.
Kura tito rātou ake hawhe a Feilding High. Ke runga rātou I tēnei wā hika ko te nuinga o te poro kei tō rātou taha I tēnei wāhanga tuarua. Ka neke te poro naina, but look at that big hit, huge hit on defence, and that might be just what Wellington College need to swing the momentum. It's been lost. Now an advantage for Wellington College. Will this be enough to get them back into the game? They've got numbers out there, and it's with Martin. Pick and go, it's Belly. Hill. They spread it. A big dummy and a run right in front of the post. Faitala. Faitala! And he's got over the line. Ben Faitala scores for Wellington College. And they regain the lead. Te kahoki o te kaupare a Wellington College. I taka whakamua te poro. Feilding High School I rātou e mau ana I te poro. Ka huri te poro ki te taha o Wellington College. Ka kōkiri ai rātou ki tērā taha Māui. I puta ai te poro e maka ana te poro ki te taha matau. E neke ai te poro ki a Ben Faitala. Ko uru ia ki te papatakoro nei mo Wellington College, kua piro ia. Ka neke whakamua noa Wellington College. 26 ki te 24 nei te whana. Au, kua mahue. Engari ko te pai, kei mua tonu a Wellington College. 26 ki te 24. With Wellington College with a healthy lead now. Not a healthy lead, but they've come in front after being behind just before. They were behind for the very first time in the match, maybe for about 5 minutes or so. As Feilding High School scored 3 consecutive tries and then a big hit, forcing the mistake. Wellington College on Feilding High has swung the momentum slightly in this match. Anea Wellington College, kia rātou te pōro I roto tō rātou ake hawhe, mai tērā whana. Ka kōkiri whakamua na rātou I tēnei wā, kāre rātou e hia e pirangi ki te whana I te pōro, teitei rawa tērā rutu. He hāmene ke te haere, high tackle on Workhoven. So I'd say about a 10-metre gain there, but it's very difficult. Those of you watching at home or on your phone somewhere, the wind is well behind Feilding High School at this point in time, so Wellington College are up against the elements. Sipeli, whāngai ana ia te rārangi nei. Kei muri o te rārangi, good pass by Hill. As Wellington College have possession and they've got an extra spring in their step. Sipeli. He Hamine. A quick tap by Hill. He's on his own, Hill. He needs support. That's the 22. Hill does well. But who's with him?
No, he's knocked out. Oh, no, he's not.
On a penalty. And Hill's down. And yeah, just time out here as he's had a bit of a head knock there after that run. He fell quite heavily to the ground. Did Kate Hill. You can see Piriwepu come onto the field. The former All Blacks legend, a former Wellington College old boy. So there may be a bit of a break here to tend to Cade Hill, who's been outstanding since coming on in place of Ben Willocks. But the momentum swings in this match. It's been fascinating in the second half. The start of the second half, it was all Feilding High, but just in the last 5 to 10 minutes, Wellington College have really come back strongly. Well, ko te ahua nei ki te pai a Hill. Kia ora waiwai. Engari, ko te ahua nei ki te ka titiro hau ki aia, ka niki ia, ka puta ia, te kemu nei. So Hill is going to come out of this match after that knock. So, moving back to live action, Wellington College have the scrum. Oh, and a penalty, Wellington College. I don't know if he's tapped it. But, oh, look at that swerve. And it's Te Peneamine Parai, who tapped quickly and went right. There's question marks around whether he actually tapped the ball. But he had a lot of work to do, and the footwork shown by Parai to weave past the defenders and extend the lead for his side. Ai, puta mai te hāmene. Te taha o Wellington College. No reiri, haere tere rātau. Whakamaua te Peneamine Parai te pōro. O ma tere ai ia ki te taha a matau. Me ona waiwai, kani. Neke ana ia ki te tehi taka ki te rātu. Taha, kua pero tērā whana hoki no reira. Kei runga Wellington College. Toru tekau mā toru ki te rua tekau mā whā. Workhoven nailed the conversion. They're now up by 9 points, Wellington College. And now they've got it back, and this time from their own 22 they run it. Now they spread a short ball with the forwards. Workhoven, they go left. They spread it. It's still there for Wellington College, but they get bundled into touch. Oh, quick ball, quick throw in. Oh, good tackle. A lot of pressure now on Feilding High to retain possession. And Parai's over the ball. He senses a turnover. They've got it. Wellington College. Huge moment in the match. The momentum has well and truly swung towards Wellington College. Engari kua hāmene. Kua huri te pōro kia Feilding High. E hāmene. Whakamaua Wellington College I te pōro mo te wāroa. No reira. Kua huri. Oh, and will the ball find touch? Oh, there's a bit of miscommunication, but oh, the touch judge has his flag up. Wow, it's a brilliant kick in the end for Feilding High, but could have been saved. Here's Feilding High. He rārangi ki te haere. He ka tērā te rārangi. Rima mita. Nō reira. Kōkiri whakamua tata ki te rārangi piro anei. It's a try for Greenham, is it? Yes, Blake Greenham on debut. Scores a fantastic try off the back of that line out. The year 13 for Feilding High School. The hooker who's come on to replace Lucas Goodman, the captain. And he scores a try to bring Feilding High School back in this one. So Wallace McLeod lining up the conversion, this time opting to keep his headgear on. He is a sharp shooter. He's nailed them from both sides. And that kick is... No, it's gone in front of the face of the post. And Ari kua hoki mai a Feilding High. Ke runga Wellington College, toru tekau mā toru ki te rua tekau mā iwa. Te toka maha o ngā piro I tēnei kiemu. Āhua tekau miniti e toi ana I tēnei kiemu. Te rapia waru miniti, tekau miniti. So it's going to come down to the last few minutes. Wellington College are up by 4 points. Feilding High are only a try away from getting back in the lead, and they have possession. Engari ke ratu ake hawhe no reira ko te mea nui kia neke whakamua, kia kōkiri whakamua ki te putai tēnei hawhe. Ka neke te pōro ki tēnei taha MΑORI. E maka, te toko maha o ngā maka, nei, te pōro, e te taho Dixon. Now they spread it. Oh, counter ruck was on, but how was the timing? Not good by Wellington College. And so Feilding High have the penalty. He hāmene ke te haere, anei te whanaroa, engari kare te tino roa, he ahua poto tērā whana. Te kai mita pia, ki mua. So a line out now for Feilding High. And they're up against the clock. It's the try-score agreement to feed the line out. Copsey bats it. Oh, good run. Slightly isolated. Was almost turned over. Wallace. Oh, another penalty against the attacking side. The amount of times that has happened in this match. Just holding on or falling off their feet, not being able to hold on to their own body weight. Workhoven into touch. Te whakatauki a Wellington College, te aho marama. Ko tēnei te wā, ki te whakatina na ai tērā kōrero. Oh, it's been stolen in that line out. Oh, but it's been knocked on by Feilding High. So Wellington come back with the ball. And they drive forward, Wellington College. Ball's out, and it's taken by Feilding High. Good rugby IQ. Only a few minutes remaining for Feilding High. And the whistle is blowing, and it's been turned over. A slight knock on there. Oh, and that'll do it. That'll do it for the match. Feilding High School, we're up against the clock. But in the end, after a brave fight back early in the second half, it's Wellington College who hold on to a 33-29 victory against Feilding High School. So a wonderful match between these two prestigious rugby schools. Feilding High School got the lead early in the second half, but Wellington College were just too strong in the end, coming back with a couple of back-to-back tries to regain the lead. Feilding High School came back with one try of their own to come close, but in the end, the clock was against them, and Wellington College finished strong in winning this one. Pre-season, looking forward to the season proper, 33-29. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa e mātakitaki ai tēnei whakapāpahotanga o whakata Māori i tēnei wā. Noho ora mai.